Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from first group, and in here we want to present about international journal reviews. And first is title. Our title is the impact of behavioral finance bias and demographic factors and financial risk tolerance of the individual investors, with moderating role of personality traits at Pakistan Stock Exchange. The second is journal paradigma. Number third is volume, page, and year. Volume is 14. Number first, page is 166 until 173 in 2020, and we can see number 4 is link. Number 5 is written by Shahzad Hamid and Irfan Ullaha Arfan.
Okay, next, number 6 is background and problem. According to the Joe and Dare 2015, behavioral finance is grounded upon the conception of the bounded rationality, which make rational selection that comprise through the cognitive restriction of the investor decision making. The elimination of human being in making rational decision making is a boundaries to rational approach design which affect in the bounded rational human being. Therefore, the investor must have to understand about their investment behavior in the perspective of behavioral finance biases and demographic factor. As per different studies, the problem still exists as unresolved, in which personality traits are responsible to moderate the relationship between behavioral bias and financial risk tolerance. Number 7 is objective of the study: to identify the role of behavioral bias in shaping the financial risk tolerance of individual investor at Pakistan Stock Exchange, to identify the impact of personality trait to modify of relationship of behavioral finance bias, financial risk tolerance of individual investor at Pakistan Stock Exchange, to identify the role of demographic factor in shaping the financial risk tolerance of individual investor at Pakistan Stock Exchange, to identify the impact of personality trait and modify the relationship of demographic factor with financial risk tolerance of individual investor at Pakistan Stock Exchange, to seek recommendation of individual investor and the other market participant of making their better investment decision, to explore the new horizon about behavioral finance at PSX.
Number 8. Name of theory or concept used in the article. Number 1. Behavioral bias. This study examines the impact of behavioral bias on investor decision making in the Pakistan Stock Exchange. The behavioral bias variables used include overconfidence, representativeness, anchoring, gambler's fallacy, availability bias, loss aversion, regret aversion, and mental accounting. Number 2. Demographic factor. This research looked at demographic factor and financial literacy in influencing investment decision making using structural equation modeling analysis. Number 3. Behavioral finance. This theory assumes that individuals have imperfect and undecided behavior in making investment decisions. Demographic factor and financial literacy have a positive influence on investment decisions. So, the existence of behavioral finance as a moderating variable can influence decision making. Number 9. Research methodology. Questionnaire adopted from different sources. For the measurement of behavioral finance basis, Likert scale questionnaire adopted from the published research paper in Impact Factor Journal of Economic Science and the book of Daniel Kahneman. The question of behavioral finance bias consists of 43 for the measurement of non-behavioral finance bias. Next, for the measurement of personality traits, we are using questionnaire adopted that was developed by John O.P. and Srivastava S. The Big Five Traits Taxonomy, History, Measurement, and Theoretical Perspective. Handbook of Personality, Theory and Research, 1999, 102 until 138. There are 39 questions are used for the measurement of Big Five personality traits in the questionnaire. Next, for the measurement of financial risk tolerance, we are using questionnaire taken from the research paper published in Impact Factor Journal Financial Service Review in University of Georgia, which is written and developed by the Grable and Litton, and the questionnaire of financial risk tolerance consists of 13 items or questions based on 8 important factors. Number 1, guaranteed versus probable gambles. Number 2, general risk choice. Number 3, choice between sure loss and sure gain. Number 4, risk as experience and knowledge. Number 5, risk as a level of comfort. Number 6, speculative risk. Number 7, prospectory. And number 8, investment risk.
And number 10 is conceptual framework, is independent variables. We have behavioral finance bias, is familiarity bias, overconfidence bias, representative bias, herding bias, anchoring bias, confirmation bias, loss aversion bias, disposition bias, and availability bias. And the next is demographic factors, is age, gender, marital status, educational qualification, professional experiments, size of investment, nature of employment. And moderating variables is personality traits, extraversion, agreeableness, constitutional neuritis, openness. And we have financial risk tolerance, independent variable. And the next is number 11 is research result. Based on result of his study, it is realized that the role of all controlling demographic variable to affect financial risk tolerance is insignificant. Out of 45 moderating combination of personality traits with independent variable of behavioral bias, 42 moderating effects significantly change the impact of behavior bias on dependent variable of financial risk tolerance. Out of 9 behavioral bias, 7 behavioral bias have significant direct effect on dependent variable of financial risk tolerance. Consequent to this research study, the importance of personality traits as moderators to affect financial risk tolerance, and also the importance of behavioral finance bias to affect financial risk tolerance can be denied.
Next, theoretical implication. Number 1, behavioral finance. Number 2, personality traits. Number 3, demographic factor. Number 4, socio-demographic factor. And number 5, behavioral bias. Next, practical implication. Development of financial education program. The role of influence on behavioral bias. Next, development of investment decision-making strategy, investment experience program development, and last, investment experience program development.
Next is conclusion. The result of this research study have many implications for individual investor, investment companies, academics, and policy maker. Individual investor, investment companies, brokerage again will use the result of this research study for a better understanding of financial risk tolerance toward investor or investment decision making, producer, and improve strategies by concentrating on the recognized element in this research study. Next is advantage and disadvantage. Advantage. His journal used behavioral finance theory, which explains unplanned and imperfect investment behavioral. Analyze demographic factors such as gender, age, and education on financial risk tolerance. This journal uses a structured and organized research model which help analyze that better. Disadvantage. This journal does not analyze the influence of market conditions, such as closing conditions on individual investor financial risk tolerance. Only analyzes several types of behavioral bias, such as overconfidence, representative, anchoring, gamma valency, availability bias, loss aversion, research aversion, and mental accounting, but does not analyze herding behavioral tendencies.
That's all the journal presentation from our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.